Hello everyone. Let's see the next experiment, the design and realization of 2-bit comparator. Okay, so what is a comparator circuit? So comparator circuit, it can be of 1-bit, 2-bit, 3-bit or 4-bit, any 2 bits, which compares two numbers and it gives you result either it is equal, both are equal, or A is greater than B or B is greater than A. Any out of the 3 outputs, any one will be active, means high, the other will be low. It depends upon the data we have provided, inputs we have provided. So in our circuit we have a 2-bit, we are going to design a 2-bit comparator circuit. What is the meaning of 2-bit? Meaning is that two numbers we are comparing of each of 2 bits, means totally. Let's see the truth table, now you can understand it very clearly. Let's see here, A is a number which contains 2 bits, A0, A1. B is a second number which contains A, B, B0 and B1, which is a 2-bit number. Now, there are, if you observe, there are 4 bits are there in the truth table of the input side. So 16 combinations possible. These are the 16 combinations. Let's check. What is the A value here? 0 we are providing, 0, 0 is 0. B value we are providing 0, because it's a 2-bit number, just you write 1, 2, 1, 2 in the decimal form. Both are 0, 0. 0, 0 means both are equal. So A equal to B will be active and these two should be output. This is my expected output from the comparator. I should design the comparator in this way. When this is the input, I should get A equal to B should be 1 and the remaining 2 output should be 0. Now you observe this, A is 1, B is 0. So A is greater than 1. So A greater than 1 will be 1 and the remaining will be 0. Here A is 2, A is greater. A is 3, P is 0, A is greater. You observe, always any one of the output will be high. The other 2 outputs are always 0. Now let's see, B is 1, so B is greater, these 2 will be 0. Here both are equal, A is 1, B is 1, so A equal to B. And then A is 2, B is 1, so A is greater. A is 3, B is 1, A is greater. Now B is 2, so B is greater. Now B is 2, A is 1, so you see 1, 2, this is 2, okay, binary equivalent of 2, this is 1, so B is greater. Now both are equal, B is 2, A is 2. Now here you see A value is 3, B value is 2, so A is greater, these 2 will be 0. Again B value 3 here, so B is greater of course. So B is 3, A is 1, B will be greater. So B is 3, A is 2, B will be greater. And both are 3, 3 equal. So this is my truth table for the design. The first step for the design of any logic circuit is a truth table. So I have made this truth table. Now I should develop logic equations, Boolean equations, such that I can draw logic diagram and then further we can go for the output. So how can I design that? By using the K-maps technique. So K-map is a technique through which these are the 3 K-maps I need, because 3 outputs are there. First K-map for A greater than B, second K-map for A equal to B, third K-map for A less than B. Now let's focus on A greater than B. So in this A greater than B K-map, I should take, now let's see, where A greater than 1, A greater than B is there in the truth table. Where it is 1, you note down that. So this is 1 here, this is 0, this is 1, at 1 it is 1. Now this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, this is 6, this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so 11. So these are the ones. These ones I have to take in the K-map and then minimize it. Let's come back to K-map. You see that K-map, These are the gray code, and now 0 0 0 0, this cell is 0, okay, this is 0 0 0 1, this is 1, 0 0 1 1, this is 3 2. In that way you give the cells numbers 4 5, this will be 6 and 7. Now you see 1 0 1 1, this will be 8 9 10 and 11, this will be 12 13, this will be 14 and 15. So we have noted down already A greater than 1, A greater than B, the cells are 1 at 1 2 3, this is 1 2 3 and 6 7 11, 6 7 11. So these are the 6 cells where once you get, you once again check 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are the 6 cells, okay, where you got A greater than B1. Now apply K-map. What are the steps for the K-map? Now make the groups. First step is completed, that we have assigned the ones, we kept ones. Now make a group. The first possibility, check for 16 group. Is it possible? No, 16 ones are not there. Now check for 8 possibility. Do you have any 8 ones beside, side by side as a group? No, you don't. Now check for 4. Yes, I do have. Let's make this 4 group. Yeah, this is a group. Okay. Now assign the name for this. Now this group made with these 2 rows, where B0 is 0 and 1. So we can remove it. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now B1 bar. So B1, status of B1 is 0. So it is B1 bar. Now check the columns. A1 status is A1 is 1. So it is A1. A0 is 0 and 1. You can remove it. So this minterm name is A1 B1 bar. Note it down. Now check for again 4 group. Is it possible? No. Then you go for the 2 group. Is it possible? Let's check. Yes, it is possible. So here you see, this is a 2 group possible. Name it. First rows. Rows are 2. This is only 1 row. So this is B0 is 0, B1 is 0. So I can say B1 bar, B0 bar. Columns made with 2. So check. A1 is 0 and 1. You can remove it. A0 is 1. So A0. This is another minterm. And last one more group is possible. That we will do. So this is a 2 group. So this one and this one. Make it as a group. It made with 2 rows. Check. So B1 status is 0 and 1, we can cancel. B0 status is 0. So it is B0 bar into, made with only 1 column. So it is simply A1 A0. There are 3 minterms we got. So the logic equation, for A greater than B, function A greater than B is equal to, so we got B0 bar A1 A0 plus, this is B0 bar A1 A0 plus B1 bar B0 bar A0 plus one more minterm, that is B1 bar A1. Let's do the K-map. This is the logic diagram for a logic equation for A greater than B. Now you draw the logic diagram, that is the realization and design. Next, let's see for A equal to B. Where A equal to B is 1, let's first note down that, and in the truth table, come back to the truth table again. A greater than B, A is equal to B is 1 here, where it is 0, and this value is, this is 1 2 4 8, 1 2 4, this value is 5, and then here 1 2 4 8, 8 plus 2 10, and one more is, so totally 1 2 3 4 combinations you will get. Yes, see this last one, this is 15, 1 2 4 8, 1 2 3 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 8 15. So these are the 4, 0 5 10 15. Now mark it in the, now note down, make cell numbering. This is 0, this is 5, this is next one. What is that? 10, and this will be 15. Sorry, 10 and 15. Now apply K-map. Check for 16 combination, no possibility. 8 combination of groups, no possibility. 4 combination, 4 grouping, no possibility. Even 2 grouping also not possibility. Only single groups are available. First group, second group, third group, fourth group. Give the names. This is the first one. This is A0 bar, A1 bar, B0 bar, B1 bar. So directly I am writing over here. So this is function of A equal to B is equal to first one B1 bar, B0 bar, A1 bar, A0 bar, B1 bar, B0 bar, A1 bar, A0 bar, plus the second one you see B1 bar, B0, A1 bar, A0. That is B1 bar, B0, A1 bar, A0. Third one you see B1, B0, A1, A0. B1, B0, A1, A0. The last one B1, B0, A1, A0, B1, B0 bar, A1, A0 bar. That is B1, B0 bar, A1, A0 bar. So this is the logic equation for A equal to B. In the same way, the last logic equation for A less than B we will see. So A less than B, where it is 1? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth one. 5, 6, 7, eighth one. Ninth one, 10, 11, this is 12, 13 and 14. So how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 combinations you have to take. 4, 8, 9. Now note down. Cell numbering fast. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, 15. Now the numbering. 4, 8, 9. This is 4. This is 8. This is 9. Next, 12, 13, 14. This is 12, 13, 14. Now grouping. Now again apply the grouping rules. First check for the 16 group of ones, no possibility. 8 group of ones, no possibility. 4 group, yes of course, it is there. 4 group side by side. What is the name of this group? It made with 2 rows. Check the rows. B1 is 1, 1. So B1 you have to take. B0 is 1 plus 0. It is 1. Over. Now 2 columns. A1 is 0, 0. So it is A1 bar. A0 is a 0 and 1. No need of taking. Now again 4 grouping. Not at all possible. Now check for 2 grouping. Yes, it is possible. Where? So here it is. Now what's the name of it? Naming. It made with 2 rows. You check the rows. B1 is 0, 1. No need to take. B0 is 1, 1. So it is simply B0. Now check, only one column is there. That is A1 bar, A0 bar. Next grouping. Again 2 group. Possibility is there? Yes, of course. This is the possibility. This one and this one. What is the naming? Let's check the name for it. It made with only one row. That is 1, 1. That is B1, B0. It made with 2 columns. Let's check. A1 is 0, 1. No need to take. A0 is 0, 0. So it is A0 bar. So 3 min terms I got. Let's write down the 3 min terms over here. So these are the 3 logical equations. You got it. So F A less than B is equal to, the first min term is B1, B0, A0 bar. So it is B1, B0, A0 bar. Next min term B1, A1 bar plus B1, A1 bar. And then another min term B0, A1 bar, A0 bar. So place B naught, A1 bar, A naught bar. So this is the realization of logical equations of your 2-bit comparator circuit. Now let's draw the logic diagram. That is the theoretical explanation. Now we have to draw the logic diagram. Then in the next step we will see the output practically. Okay sir, up sir.